This is 212 Greenbrier, the one we tried to get into that one day that we couldn't get into, that has a nice lot out the back with a carry-through, which is like a third of an acre. You walk in, it's a living room set up here. You walk into front living room, 2 windows, bay window here, which was said was nice. We'll say the windows, for the most part, have been replaced. I'd say a pretty open floor plan here. We have an old window there that leads into now a family room. Dining room here, kitchen over here. The whole place is dated. I mean, everything needs to be taken care of. The walls kind of have like that crackled, like textured walls to them. The kitchen's semi-dated. The floors are kind of, not your style, of course. And then through here off the kitchen, you have a laundry room and a half bath. Back here again is that family room addition, which overlooks the backyard. I think if you had a slider out there to a deck, it would be great. I'll say $200,000. You have some room to play some things here. So the roof leak above this window here, some stains on the curtains, which you can't see probably by video. Downstairs into the basement. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. All of them need work, drywall work, etc. Probably looking at somewhere in the neighborhood of $20,000 or so of work to the house. So we'll pass this along to you. Talk to you soon.